Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to discuss about streaming in LangGraph. It is not the streaming that we do on TikTok or it is not the streaming of some gameplay. So it is saying LangGraph implements a streaming system to surface real-time updates. And one more thing, like it will come to here on ChatGPT and I will say, hey ChatGPT, tell me about LangGraph, do deep research and hit enter. So it is saying searching the web, and after that it may be sometimes says I am thinking and different things. We'll say in today's video how to display these things, like I am doing Google search, I am thinking, let me think, different things. So these things basically improve the user experience. And we have two different methods for streaming. One is stream sync and stream asynchronous method to yield streamed output as iterators. It is the example. Here we pass the topic, that is ice cream. Stream mode is updates and custom. It is a list. So this list may vary from example to example or scenario to scenario, and version is v2. It is the full example. Let me just copy this one and I will paste here. So before running this code, you need to run these commands: pip install upgrade LangGraph and pip install upgrade LangChain. So let me just first of all check my LangGraph version. I will say pip show LangGraph and my version is 1.1.8. If you have a LangGraph version that is below 1.1, you must run this command. So if you have already LangGraph 1.1 or above version, then you don't need to worry about that. So it is saying required LangGraph greater than 1.1. All examples on this page use version v2. So after running these two commands, I will prefer you close this Jupyter notebook, and here you press Ctrl C and close the terminal and restart this Jupyter notebook again. Let me just delete this one and I will cut this code, and let's run this, and I will paste here and run this. It is saying status thinking of a joke. Just consider this like it is thinking or maybe doing Google search. The ChatGPT shows I am doing Google search or I am thinking. Similarly, it is saying thinking of a joke, and after that it print the joke. Why did ice cream go to school? To get a Sunday education. Here it is the state of class. Here we have topic as well as joke, and here we import langgraph.config, import get stream writer. It is important one. You will come here on reference.langchain.com/python/langgraph/types/streamwriter. It is saying streamwriter is a callable that accepts a single argument and writes it to the output stream. So whatever we will write or give input here, it will display on the stream. Here we create the object of get stream writer, that is writer, and we are saying in writer status will be thinking of a joke. So it print this status thinking of a joke. That's it. And it's saying always injected into nodes if requested as a keyword argument, but it's a no OP when not using stream mode is equal to custom. So whenever you have to print something like I am doing Google search, I am thinking, like ChatGPT does, you have to use this get stream method. Here we applied two conditions. One is if chunk type is equal to update, then run this code, else if chunk type is equal to custom, then run this block of code. First of all, let's print the chunk type. Here I will say chunk, and that is chunk. Before that I will say \n and \n. Now let's rerun. Here our state has topic as well as joke, and we are saying topic will be ice cream. Stream mode will be updates and custom version is v2, not v1. By default the variant is v1 in LangGraph, and here we print the chunk, that is chunk, and it is the chunk basically. Here in chunk we have different things. One is type, that is custom, ns is empty, ns means namespace, our data is status, thinking of a joke. Here we saying if chunk type is equal to updates. So in our this line our chunk type is not update. So here we are saying else if chunk type is equal to custom. So in this chunk type is custom, so it will come to this line and it will print status this and chunk data. It is the chunk and it has data, this one, chunk data status is thinking of a joke, so it print this one. After that, in next iteration of a loop, the chunk type is updates, namespace is empty, data is this one. Here we are saying if chunk type is equal to updates, then you have to come to this line. So it will come to this line here because we have chunk type that is updates. So we are saying for node name state in chunk data, it is the chunk data, it is a dictionary. Chunk data dot items means I need key as well as value, means I need key value pair both. In node name there will be this key that is generate joke and value will be joke, why did the ice cream go to the school. So here we print node, that is node name, here node, that is generate joke update, after that there is colon, this one, and we print state. In state we have the value, that is joke, why did the ice cream go to the school, that is this one. It will come to this documentation and it's saying we have different types. One is values, updates, messages, custom, checkpoints, task, debug. In today's video we are going to discuss about custom, this type, and after that it is saying we have different option. One is v2 and v1. Let me copy this code and I will paste here. But before that it is taking inputs. I will say inputs is equal to topic will be ice cream, and we are calling the same graph, that is this one. We have two different parameter. One is topic. In topic there will be this ice cream, and after that it will come to this generate joke, and here we are saying writer will be get stream writer and writer status will be thinking of a joke, and we are returning or updating the state like this one. We're saying update our this joke state with this string. So let me just run this one. It is saying updates, empty and data. So chunk type is updates, chunk ns namespace is empty, chunk data is this one. You may want to print chunk and after that I will print something like dash dash dash, and let's run it. So it is the type, that is update, ns is empty, data is this one. So you can clearly see in this output. It is the example with variant v2. Let's see the example with variant v1. I will click here and let me copy and I will paste here and let's run it. This time we don't have this type, ns or data. We simply have generate joke. In generate joke there is joke, also a key, and value is why did ice cream go to the school. Then it is saying the v2 format also enable type narrowing, which means you can filter chunks by chunk type and get the correct payload type, and each branch narrows part data. To specify type for that mode, let's use this example. I will copy and paste here. Here we are saying for part in langgraph.stream, topic is ice cream, stream mode is values, updates, messages, custom, and version is v2. and we're checking if part type is equal to values, then print this one. Else if type will be updates, then print this one. If part type will be message, means maybe LLM message, then you have to print this line. And finally, if type is custom, then just print this part data progress. Let's run it. So it is saying print progress part data progress, means it is throwing an error. Why it is throwing an error? So our type is custom, and in custom there is only this status, there is no progress. So let's just copy this whole code, and before running this I will paste the code here, and I will add another key value like progress. Maybe progress will be 40. Yeah, it is good. This time there is no error while printing this data progress, because in our custom stream mode we have added this progress is 40, this key value pair. So your some ChatGPT or Grok or maybe Claude sometimes shows progress is 40%, then 90%, then 100%, and status is running, and it shows countdown sometime like 10, 5, 2, 1, 0. It is showing like this way. It is all the custom behavior. You are able to add these custom behaviors in your chatbots and in your agents. Here we print only the progress. Let's copy this line and I will paste here. I will say status will be, this status will be data status. I want to print progress as well as status, and I will remove this one. Let's rerun. So this time it is showing progress is 40, status is thinking of a joke. You are able to add different custom status and custom progress in your stream mode. Let me just copy this one and I will paste here. This time I will say progress is 90 and status is like almost done. Let's rerun, and this time it is showing progress is 40%, status is thinking of a joke, then progress is 90%, status is almost done. So this way you are able to use this get stream writer. It is very helpful and it creates a great user experience. So for now that's it guys. I believe now you know how to do the streaming in LangGraph and how to create the custom streaming mode in the LangGraph. If this video is helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next video with the new idea and with new examples. Have a great day.